Today I will show you how to make YouTube black. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. We have two methods. First method, use YouTube's built-in dark theme. Open your browser and go to youtube.com. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. In the menu that opens, click Appearance. From the options, select Dark Theme. The page will reload and YouTube will switch to dark mode. That was our first solution. If the first solution helped you, don't forget to like the video. Second method, use a browser extension. Open your browser and create a new tab. Type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and press enter. Click the first result labeled Chrome Web Store Extensions. In the search box, type Dark Reader. Find Dark Reader and click on it. In the open page, click on Add to Chrome. In the confirmation pop-up, click Add Extension. You'll see a notification Dark Reader has been added to Chrome. To pin the extension for easy access, click the extensions icon in the top right. Find Dark Reader and click the pin icon next to it. Now open youtube.com again. Click the Dark Reader icon in the toolbar to open its menu, where you can toggle dark mode on or off and adjust brightness, contrast, and other settings. That's it for this video. I hope these two methods help you enjoy YouTube in dark mode.